Hi guys, in this quick video I will tell you how to record your first basic guided meditation using Audacity. Audacity is a free audio software which you can download from their website. If you have an external microphone, then you have to plug it in before you turn the Audacity on, otherwise the Audacity will not read it. If you don't have an external mic, then you can use the built-in microphone. So we open Audacity. We now open the music file which we're going to use for our meditation. I'm using the relaxing piano music, which is a royalty-free music download from internet. Well, let's check the quality of the melody. Sounds pretty decent, but if it's too loud, then we can adjust the volume using this sliding bar right here. So we can either increase it or decrease it. Alternatively, we can also use playback volume. And now if we want to add our voice to this meditation, then we click on tracks, add new, mono track, and then we click on it, and we can just press the record button. Before that, make sure that your microphone is chosen, the right microphone. I use Blue Snowball from Amazon. And then you just click the record button and say whatever you want, hopefully something nice and peaceful. For example, I accept reality as it is. You can then continue with your recording, but I'm not gonna do it, so it's just an example. I'm gonna play back to see what we have. So we have music that is a little bit too loud, so we can't really hear my voice that much, so we reduce the volume, but we increase the volume of my voice by sliding this bar to the right. Alternatively, we can use this slide bar here, recording volume, can reduce it to 0.49, let's say. Okay, and okay, this is much better. You can play with those buttons. If your melody is a little bit too long, here we have 25 minutes, and let's say you want a short meditation, then you just choose the part that you want to remove. Let's say you want a 10-minute meditation and click delete. Of course, this melody will end abruptly now, and we don't want that, so we again choose the last minute of this melody, and then we click on effect and fade out. So you see, now it will not end as abruptly. It will end quite smoothly. So we want to click on tracks, mix, and mix stereo down to mono. Oh, I have to undo this. Oops. Yes. Tracks, mix stereo down to mono. And then we are ready to export our MP3 file. Export as MP3. Change the name of the file. Click a save. Okay. Then we can change whatever we want here. Click OK. And then it will take a few seconds. If you want to use this file again, then you have to export it as an Audacity project. So here we click File, Save Project As, and that way you can use it again at some later time. Hopefully you really enjoy this. Thank you.